So I've just hit this with bar. Just a big hole. Floating steps. I bet there's a brick going across there, and the whole way through. That is not good. Yep. Good morning. Tom's just been doing his Instagram stuff.
My mic's working now.
And his mic's working, so he's making most of it. Just been slagging me off for being on phone, but I'm just ordering diggers and stuff, just busy. Just always busy, you know how it is. Busiest person in the world. How do you feel about floating steps then? A bit dangerous really, if you ask me. Good job. Well, good job not really. Why would you have floating steps? Just don't get it. So, today's plan is, and has been, we have buried the cable, starts up there in shed, comes round and we've buried it underneath his patio here. He's filling in the flags. There's a gate here for the terrace houses through there, like I say. So here we're just having a flag, I think, maybe 1.5 flags or something. Just what's the point in having it? You know, I was said the other day, I'm covered in dust. Said the other day we're having a whole triangle and a pathway like that. No one comes through there. You don't need to. Once a blue moon, someone comes through. Cuts on manhole, cuts in there, and then this section here. And you know what? It's only 9:30 and we've done some already. So we are cooking. Don't want to jinx it, because next thing we know it'll be 2:30 and we haven't even done. It's 1 minute. So, question for you. We've got 2 manholes on go here. What do you guys charge per manhole, or do you put it in as part of your package? That is a question for you. Because we charge... Shall I tell him? Yeah, go on, I'll tell him. We charge £300 a manhole to do it. Because you're lifting old one up, yeah, you've got waste, scrapman takes it, doesn't matter. But then you've got a cut around it, you've got the manhole itself, which, chuffing hell, are well expensive now. They're going up in price constantly. And then you've got a cut inside it, and it's just a lot of faff. Especially with block paving. Block paving, this you've got, obviously, 1 cut, 2 cuts either side of manhole. In block paving, you've got about 27 cuts. So, yeah. But yeah, that's what we charge. So, just is what it is, isn't it? But yeah, hope you are well. It is sunny again, and it is looking good this week. Good weather. We love it. But guys, catch you soon. Need to go chisel out some floating steps. See you soon. You know how I always say that I'm best and I'm doing everything and I'm so busy and there's no other person like me other than me and I am the god. Check this out. 50mm sharp. Out there. No words. Disappointed. Take two. Absolutely love it. I'm just best at cutting, me. So we are done for today. I believe it's 5:10-ish now, something like that. Let me show you what we've done. So down here is done. We are just gonna leave the end. There's a bit of gravel. It's about 180 mil. Bit of gravel just from all that render going off. Don't want it all travelling all over Patio, you know, right down there and stuff like that. So same down there. It's about 100 mil. This manhole has fallen nicely with the gravel, which is always good. But honestly, this area here, I'm not sure when my GoPro ran out. I think I was quite far down here, to be honest with you. But that's taken me since 10:30 this morning to about 4 o'clock, something like that. That's why we couldn't both do it, because it was just like cut, put in, cut, put in. And what is there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 flags. Some had 2 cuts on, some had U's in them, some had, and then you've got 1, 2, 3 flags there, so that's 11. And then 1, 2, so 13 flags really laid. It's hard. It's hard. I've always got it hard. Steps are done, which is good. And then that corner over there is done by the gate. Pigeons are having it off in trees by the sounds of it. And then we've just got 2 extra flags here that we've just laid now, just to get them down. So we're out of flags. So we need 1, 2, 3, 4, and then whatever for that area up there. So tomorrow is going to look fresh in here, because all of this is going to be stripped. Grass is going to be stripped off, tipped off. This side is going to be having, what are they having, Tom? Sleepers around this planter, and sleepers over there, which I think there's about 2.5 over there, so it's not too bad. But yeah, feels like we're getting there now. This is a big area. And it's days like today where you first day you get down, you get your lines set, you're messing about a bit. Second day, bang. Third day, bang. And then it's today where you're like, you're going around and cutting, chipping steps off and messing about. So it is quite slow. That's why you need big lads in, don't you? But if you'd like to give these videos hype and give us a subscribe, obviously, see what goes on this GoPro. And then you've got Instagram over there, Mr. Instagram, and he's garden_revamps. If you'd like to give us a follow on there, and you can keep up to date, because this is normally a day to 2 days behind. So when you watch this, we'll be out of here, be a weekend. But yeah, give us a follow our journey. And that's it from me today. So I'll see you all tomorrow morning. I'm sat on my backside all day. 8 o'clock, sharp.